Once you've defined your list of information requirements for this exchange, you're then able to start to ask for when people are likely to deliver this. So for a team to be able to tell you when they're likely to carry out their tasks, first you would filter for that team and also for the milestone that you're wanting. Now we've got a filtered view for just the contractor's tasks in the coordination milestone. I can simply flick between the grid view to the timeline view, and then I can start to assign durations to these tasks, move them around, give them dates, give them dependencies, and start to understand exactly what the timeline is going to look like. There'll be a lot more on this later, but you'll also see people's responsibilities as a team member if you assign them to that task as well. There's a bunch more functionality and a lot more advanced, a lot of constraints and a lot of different things that you would expect inside of a timeline. We'll dig into that later. You can also see it in a compact view as you might expect inside of a traditional Gantt chart schedule. So now we have a very detailed understanding of when these tasks are going to be carried out. We know exactly what has to happen, and if I unfilter this, we can see into the details coming out of the compact view what the requirements are, everything from the geometry, the description, how coordinated this is likely to be, what actually needs to happen in order for it to be considered complete, and even down to the information requirements and specifications that might be linked or attached to these tasks. Having a detailed set of requirements for exchange of information between teams at certain points in time throughout your project will absolutely help you in coordinating, making sure that everyone understands what they have to do, when they have to do it, and putting things in a contract, which we'll show you coming up. Remember, don't plan late, plan early with Plannerly.